Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about my very minimal and very simple skincare routine.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love.
So the very first thing that I do because on this specific day and most of the days I have my makeup on, I really want to get rid of my makeup. So what I do, I use wet wipes. I just literally get any brand of wet wipes that I get out there. Then I just now start to go in with my apricot scrub. I love this scrub very much because one, it is very cost friendly. Two, I have used it since my high school days, so it is really one of the easiest things that I can get out there. I've tried it, sampled it, so it is very easy for me. Secondly, I get my exfoliating gloves. I really love these gloves because also for the same reason, they are not so smooth on my body and they are not so rough on my body. So what I do first, just after scrubbing my face, I want to ensure that I use a normal soap. In this case, I was using just a normal geisha bathing soap, and also this gives my body good lather, so that when I go in with all the body scrubs and my body wash will feel nice and it will be okay. And at this juncture, when I'm using my exfoliating gloves, I ensure that I scrub each and every part of my body so nicely, except my lady parts, because as I said, these gloves have a very mixed texture of not so rough and not so smooth. I just use this coffee scrub now to exfoliate my upper body and my legs. I lost the upper footage, so when I'm done with my legs, I now go in with my body wash. For the third wash, sorry, I go in with my body wash for the third wash. I love this blue king because one, it is very affordable, and two, I have also used it for about a year right now, and I really love this specific scent. A very smooth scrubber. I actually now at this juncture that this is what I use to wash my lady parts and also wash my hair and go in gallery. In this or at this juncture, I just do it once and maybe go in to my lady parts 2 times. And as I did the upper part, I now also do the same. I scrub my legs again and ensure that each and every part of my body is well washed. After that, I now just go to the normal routine. I've dried myself. I'm using Dr. Rachel's face serum and night cream. I was shooting this video in the evening, so I start with the serum, then I go in with the night cream, just very smoothly. And I really love this Dr. Rachel. Actually, when I started, I was not feeling the vibe, but right now I really love it. Then I finish off my body with the Johnson's and the Palmer's oil. I mix the two because I find the Palmer to have a very strong smell that I do not really like, but I love the cocoa butter effect in the Palmer's. So I mix the Palmer and the Johnson's both on my whole body. But in the case of this video, I had to show you the upper part of the body when I'm applying the upper part and the lower part of the body. I really love the cocoa butter effect on Palmer. It makes my skin to feel very nice. As much as it says it reduces stretch marks, to swear, I have used it for more than 1 year and I've not seen the effect, so I will not watch for that factor. And I also love the Johnson. That is like the scent I'm using now. It's the pomegranate. So that was just a very simple routine. Thank you so much guys for being here. I know that video was very short, but that is what I